Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Asad Yaqub here. Well guys, sometimes when you receive your IELTS test result, usually on Friday, and you open the envelope and you see the result, you're not so happy because in one of 4 modules, you don't get your desired result. This is the psyche of IELTS, right? In one of the modules, they give you actually low band score. Same thing happened with one of my students when he opened his result, TRF, listening 7, reading 6.5, writing 6.5, but speaking 5. And he was like, oh my God, writing 6.5 and speaking 5, how come? Now, let me tell you, there is one thing, we call it inquiry on results. EOR. What does that mean? That means I'm not happy with my IELTS test result and I want a senior examiner to recheck my one module or all 4 modules. And by the way, there is the fee for EOR, and this fee is almost 50% of your IELTS exam fee. So the student of mine, he actually applied for EOR. Right, this is his EOR letter. He sent me the EOR letter, and the outcome of the EOR, like they charge same amount. Whether you apply inquiry on one module or you apply inquiry on all 4 modules, the charges are same. So as per my suggestion, he applied inquiry on all 4 modules, and the outcome of that, reading band score remained unchanged. Writing band score remained unchanged. Listening band score remained unchanged. And speaking band score awarded for this module has changed from 5 to 6. 1 band difference, 5 band to 6 band. What does this mean? This means one IELTS speaking examiner gave 5 band to a candidate, but another one said, no, it's not 5, it's 6. And what does that mean? That means your IELTS speaking and writing results depend on examiner as well. Because there is no artificial intelligence. I don't know whether in future they are planning to have artificial intelligence for writing and speaking or not. But if they have them, it's going to be better. Because the human factor, one examiner, although the examiners, they follow the same criteria for marking given by Cambridge, but from human to human, there are variations, and this time, this variation was up to 1 band. By the way, you should apply for EOR when there is difference in your writing and speaking band. And when the band score changes, they return your money. Okay, they give you the money back and they apologize as well. Now this candidate, his band score increased from 5 to 6. They are going to refund his money. They will issue him a new TRF, test result form. And now with 6 each, he can apply anywhere. Okay. And one more thing, never apply EOR on listening and reading modules. Because listening and reading modules are more like mathematics. Answer is correct or wrong. There is no involvement like that. But when we talk about speaking, yes, speaking involves grammar. Then we've got fluency, pronunciation, vocabulary, lexical resource. Writing involves grammar, coherence and cohesion, vocabulary, right? And these type of things, lexical resource as well. So writing and speaking, if there is 1 to 1.5 band difference, then you can apply for EOR. And it doesn't mean that if you apply for EOR, they will increase your band score. No, if you are capable, if you actually performed well, they will increase your band score. And one more thing, there is that EOR fee, and the fee is refunded once there is the change in your band score. They refund your fee and all that. And one more thing, yes, EOR does not decrease your band score. It's not that you applied EOR and the band score decreased. No, either it will remain same or it is going to change, right? So this EOR letter is a proof. Actually, you know, my students, they are very sincere with me whenever they appear in their IELTS exam. After that, they send me their results, their TRF, their EOR letters. Even if a mosquito bit one of my students during the IELTS exam, they tell me about it. And I'm proud of my students. I'm proud of them. They tell me each and everything, and then I pass that information on. All the best, guys. Thank you so much. I also teach IELTS online all over the world and in campus in Lahore. If you wish to be the part of my online or in-campus IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub wholeheartedly wishes you best of luck. Take care. Allah Hafiz.